First up, why the hell should you do it? Well, let's go take a look. And to do that, we need to be on Amazon.com. So let's have something. On this one, I'm going to show you works bloody everywhere. But let's just use it for this one. And let's go look at something like, let's suppose, just for argument's sake, you're selling, there you go, vitamin D. Something you do not need if you live in Australia. So, vitamin D, here's your vitamin D products. There's one, Nature's Wonder. Super cheap, holy shit, you wouldn't want to be able to sell that. That's a crazy price point. But look how terrible this listing is. Only 2 images. Jesus Christ, they need some help. Now maybe it's because my thing is small. Let's have a look, see if I've got to make it bigger. I did just say because my thing is small, but it didn't mean what you thought it meant. You bloody rude people. That's Cairncross heckling me from the sidelines, saying I've got a small thingy. God, she's rude to me, I tell you. I don't know how to put up with it. Anyway, that was a terrible example. It didn't work. Let's go back one. I want to show you, see if I can show you a good example. Maybe I need a different thing. Vitamin C serum. Let's try that. Vitamin C serum. Let's try this one. True Skin. True Skin. Again, it's funny that they've only got 4 images. Jesus Christ, look how many things they've done. Here we go. Well done. So, frequently purchased together. This is Amazon making you free money. So, according to Amazon, 15% of people use the upsell facility that they have. So 15% of people, when they buy one thing, will also buy another thing that Amazon offers to them. Meaning, if you can get your product here on a product that is doing really, really well, then you will make 15% of the sales that that product makes simply because you are there. You are in that position. All right. So it's a very, very cool thing to do. And if you've got 2 products that are in a similar kind of niche, and of course that's what you should be working towards to build a brand for yourself, then what you would do is you would aim to get both of your products smashed together so that when somebody buys one, they are instantly offered the other. And therefore you will make windfall sales. That's free money to me and you. You'll make windfall sales on your product. So, question is, how the bloody hell do you do that? Well, it's actually fairly simple. If we come across to the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, home of awesome e-commerce, very, very handsome and attractive and sexy, I may say, because I know entrepreneurs here in Australia, you will find the Amazon URL hacks. Click on that. That's in files, by the way. Click on that and you'll see buy together, buy together. Number 3 is buy together. So all you need to do, I've given you an example here. If I click on that like that, you'll see that's how the URL works. You get them to put both of those 2 things together. Then you continue, you can add them to the cart. Okay, so that's how it looks from our point of view. I'll just close that down. Here's how to do it by putting your ASIN number 1, ASIN number 1 in just there. So that's the ASIN that you're looking to rank, and you do not need that parenthesis around those ASINs. You just put the ASIN in. Notice up here, there's no parenthesis around the ASIN. And then ASIN number 2 goes in just here. And again, you do not need the parenthesis around it. It just goes in there. So how do you do it? Well, it's all laid out here for you. It's all laid out there for you. Now, an interesting next question could be, should be, what the hell do you do with that URL when you've got it put together? Best thing to do is you've got 2 different options. Let's suppose, for a second, let's just put our little black hat, Amazon hackery entrepreneur hats on. And let's suppose we want to make a shitload of money, because, you know, why not? Then what's a good strategy? Well, a good strategy, weirdly, is to sell, somebody else's product for them, and in doing so, get your product linked to it. And as I said earlier, imagine if you had this product here, hopefully you can see that, this product here, imagine if that was your product instead of that product, then you would be getting those windfall sales. You already know this is a bestseller, it's making a ton of sales. So you can link your product together, and therefore you would make 15% of any sales. Now, of course, that also means that you get to make your own sales outside of that. But as a strategy just for making extra cash, and who doesn't want that? It's a really, really good strategy. And of course, if you've got two products that suit each other, then you use that strategy. With Facebook ads, you could run a coupon to it or something like that. And that allows you to link those products together.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.